Okay.
So the first ingredient is this little barky thing. Smells, don't know. What is it called?
Yok chok.
Yok chok. So this one is this soup is called Pito.
Ma.
Yok choi tong.
Yok. Yok.
Huh?
Yok choi tong.
Yok choi tong. What's this bark? Is this shavings from sugarcane? What's this called?
Okay.
Pakke.
Good for the lungs.
Smells like ginseng. So there's Waisang. It's white in color. It's bark also or roots. All these are roots. Feels a bit like quite smooth and silky and powdery as well. What does it smell like? I cannot describe. So the next ingredient is red dates. 咪叫做紅豆啊咪？紅棗 in Cantonese. Quite a lot. Going to make the soup a bit sweet.
And maybe purify the blood.
Okay, purify the blood. The next one is something to do with the eyes, right?
Berry.
Mulberry.
No.
What berry is this?
It's a berry, I forgot the name. It's a berry.
It's good for the eyes, right?
Yeah. Good for the eyes.
Next one is what? Ginseng.
Dongsam.
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 It looks like ginseng.
Dongsam.
Is it the root as well?
Longan.
Oh, them are roots. I don't know what it smells like. Longan. Longan is a type of fruit. This one has been dried and mummified. What's this?
Foksan.
Isn't it not the same as this white thing?
No, see the difference?
This looks like plaster,
Plaster of
like
Paris.
from the wall. A bit coarse. The surface is a bit coarse. Okay. I don't know what it smells like. That's all.
Some ginseng.
It's American ginseng. How much you gonna use?
Very little only.
It boils the blood, right?
Huh?
Boils the blood.
No. What does it mean?
Makes your blood diluted. Dilutes your blood. Makes it more watery.
Wrong.
Makes you heaty as well. Right? So that's all. These are the herbs that you need for yok choy soup. Plus a couple of pieces of chicken and water, then you have the soup. It's a pressure cooker. Chicken is there. Now the dates are being quartered, being cut,
Stone.
being unstoned.
What type of English is that?
Taking out the seed from the dates. Another ingredient to put inside the soup is these palm dates. Palm dates will make it sweeter. Not supposed to, but it's just a trade secret. Wow. You can smell the smell already. Smell of Chinese herbs and what and roots. Smells like ginseng. Now the chicken carcasses, chicken pieces are being blanched to get out to take out the scum and impurities. And that little thing is the liver. Liver, right? The liver is also put inside the soup. So once the chicken has been blanched, it's cooked all the way through, and the chicken meat, which was pink in color, now is all white in color. It's quite gruesome to look at the scum of the chicken. So some of the flavor, or most of the soup will be flavored by the bone marrow of this chicken. Is that true? Pound dates. Pound dates. Six. The dates are being unseeded. Is there such a word as unseeded? Only for those tennis and badminton players. So what do you call this process? Depitted.
Stone, pitted.
So half of the pressure cooker is filled, closed, secured. How long will it boil for?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Pressure cook for half an hour. Over small flame.
Small flame. Salt, 2 teaspoons of salt.
Let it boil.